The world just woke up to a new reality. While you were celebrating New Year's Eve, the silver market was sending a signal that changes everything. We're talking about a structural break, the kind that happens once in a generation, and if you don't understand what just happened in the last 48 hours, you're about to get left behind. Nate Saint here with Peak Life Wealth, helping you protect your hard-earned money from inflation and build real, lasting wealth. It's January 1st, 2026. Markets are closed for the holiday, but behind the scenes, something massive is unfolding. Silver closed out 2025 as the best-performing asset class of the year. Not stocks, not crypto. Silver. And right now, the physical market is screaming one thing: there isn't enough metal to go around. But here's what nobody's talking about. The real story isn't the price you see on your screen. The real story is what's happening in the vaults and in the back rooms of the world's biggest banks. Because while the paper price says one thing, the physical reality is saying something completely different. Let me break down what we're seeing. The COMEX spot price closed 2025 around $71 to $75. But in Shanghai, physical silver is trading $5 to $12 above Western futures pricing. The largest manufacturing economy on Earth is paying substantially more than what the paper market says it's worth. That's a broken market. The Shanghai Gold Exchange inventory has been decimated. 84 tons vanished in just 48 hours in late December. Total registered inventory crashed to around 727 tons. That's barely a few weeks of industrial demand for China. Meanwhile, COMEX registered silver inventory is hovering near historic lows. We saw emergency liquidity injections from the Federal Reserve in late December. Billions pumped into the repo market to keep the banking system functioning. Why? Because banks that are short silver are getting squeezed. When the price moves against them, they need cash immediately to meet margin calls. China implemented new export licensing requirements for silver at the start of 2026. The flow of silver from east to west has been choked off. The smart money saw this coming. That's why we saw those massive vault withdrawals. Companies were front-running the ban, securing months of inventory before the door closed. Major industrial users are scrambling. Samsung, Tesla, and other tech giants facing a supply crunch can't wait for prices to come down. Their factories need silver to operate, so they're paying whatever it takes. For decades, silver's price has been set by paper contracts on the COMEX. The problem is, there are far more paper claims than actual physical metal. We're talking leverage ratios of 100 to 1 or higher, but now industrial users are demanding the physical metal. Delivery demand spiked dramatically in late December. What does this mean for you? First, this isn't just about silver going up, it's about the dollar going down. When the Fed prints billions to bail out banks, your purchasing power is being destroyed. Second, the opportunity to acquire physical silver at reasonable prices is narrowing. A silver eagle that cost $3 to $5 over spot a year ago now commands $10 to $15 premiums. Many dealers show out of stock. Third, this isn't about getting rich quick. This is about preserving what you've earned. If your savings sits in a bank earning 0.5% while real inflation runs at 5 to 10%, you're losing ground every day. The data is clear. We're in the early stages of a major repricing event. The physical market is tight. Industrial demand is surging. The banking system is under stress. Even converting 10 to 20% of your savings into physical silver could make a massive difference. The people who understand this are already moving. The question is, are you going to wait until everyone else figures it out or act while you still can? Go to the link in my bio and grab your free copy of the Inflation-Proof Wealth System Guide. It shows you exactly how to convert your dollars into real, tangible assets. It's completely free, and it's the guide I wish someone had given me years ago. I'm watching things closely, and will keep you updated as this unfolds. You now know what most people don't. The next update could change everything, so make sure you're here for it. Stay sharp, stay stacked, and I'll see you in the next one.